Hey guys, I'm back again, and now I'm going to talk to you guys about cashback. Cashback is something that you can do to get percentages of your cost to acquire items back. So it makes your profit margins higher. And for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you how to find a cashback website. I'm going to use Walmart as the retailer, but there's cashback for a bunch of different retailers. It's not just limited to Walmart. However, keep in mind that cashback does have some limitations with different retailers, but we're not going to worry about that. We're going to assume that you don't know what cashback is. So let's figure out what it is. And I can explain this a little bit, but first I'm going to show you a cashback website. Let's go to my favorite cashback website, topcashback.com. So the basic premise of this is that you go to your cashback website and then you look for the store name, okay? So let's search for Walmart. And if you look up Walmart, and then you can see here, oh, it's 8% now. Holy crap. 8% is really, really good. Most of the time you get like 2 to 4%. But this means that if you click on this link, we'll get this warning and then go to continue. And now it'll just be as normal. We're now on Walmart's search page, okay? This is Walmart's homepage. But if you look up here, there's some reference information. So now Walmart knows that we were sent by topcashback.com. And anytime that we spend money on Walmart, say that I order an item and it costs $100. Walmart will be like, oh, hey, Top Cashback, thank you for sending me this customer that purchased $100 worth of goods. And then Walmart will give Top Cashback 7% of the purchase that I made, and then Top Cashback will give that money to me, okay? And so real quick, keep in mind, cashback is you should never, ever count on having cashback money until you've received it. Because there are some situations where you won't get it, right? But that being said, look here. I've been paid $3,187 by Top Cashback through Walmart. And this is despite the fact that if I search for Walmart, I'm going to show you the error message that we just received earlier, right? If I click on this link, and then I click on this link, you see here, Walmart reserves the right to revoke all member transactions that are deemed to be used for resale purposes, commercial use, or high-volume orders. So what this means is that Walmart can decide to just not give you your cash back. It's not your money until it's in your pocket, okay? But that being said, they've never done that to me, and at this point, they've given me $3,000, right? So it's very much worth looking into. And so the way cashback typically works is it'll show up in your account after you make the purchase. We'll be able to go to my account here, and then we can look at our recent transactions by going to my dashboard, I believe. And here we go. We can see our recent transactions down here. So after you make a purchase, within about a week, it'll show up here. Sometimes it shows up the next day, sometimes 3 or 4 days later. It really varies. But it'll show up here and it'll be marked as pending. After that, it'll take about 3 months for you to receive the money, which sucks. It's not very quick, obviously. And there's different cashback websites that you can use, but there's always going to be some kind of delay, okay? So now that you understand a bit about how cashback works, let's show you how to find some cashback. So it's really easy. You can just go to a website like Google, and then you can actually start the search by looking for something like Walmart cashback. Because there are so many different cashback websites. There's so much to choose from. Now you can find one of these two websites, Cashback Monitor and Cashback Holic, okay? There's a bunch of other ones as well, but these are great because you just enter the retailer. Like say I wanted to do Amazon, right? You enter the retailer there, and then it shows you all of the known cashback websites. See? We can click here, and then look at that. Isn't that cool? But we're going to go back to Walmart because Walmart is the source that I use the most. And then here, you can get a whole list of all these different cashback websites. It's not always completely up to date, but I find this to be the easiest way to find cashback websites to use. And again, I use Walmart. That doesn't necessarily mean that you use Walmart or that you will use Walmart. So whatever retailer you end up using or whatever source you end up using for your items, just come to a website like this and then just type it in, like Sears, right? And then you click here, and then you can see all of the cash back. And a lot of different websites have very varying amounts of cashback, and you're going to notice that you get different experiences with your different cashback websites. Some of them cash you out every 30 days, some do it every week. Most of them take 90 days, some take half that amount of time. Like You Promise only takes like 45 days for me, which is really fantastic. But now you guys have a decent sense of what cashback is and how to find a cashback website for your business. So I hope that was useful, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!